Hello. How are you doing, guys? Welcome to this channel. Today again is a beautiful day. I've started this video from this location, and there's something which I've seen here. I want to show you. Free, please take us. These are free items. Yeah. So that was. By the way, I was introducing this video. Please welcome to the channel. Please, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please. Okay. Remember to subscribe, watch the video, and also comment down below. So I do my videos from London, guys. As usual, I show you around, and today I have a very special video, guys. So please watch till the end as you also enjoy the views. So this is how the sun is. Look at the sky. Look at even the trees here. They are enjoying a good climate, good season and everything. So stay with me as we walk around, as we do this vlog, and give this video a like, guys, and let's go. I can see a lot of items, guys, because today is on see, I don't know why it is left here. And I'm just walking besides one of the main roads here. So we are going to walk further. We're going to walk further down there, and then we diverge to our left so that we can go to our destination as we vlog around. Yeah. So we're gonna see a lot of things. Yeah, we're gonna see a lot of things just here on the road. You see? Free to be taken for babies. The toys, and I see there's somebody who is moving out. I see even a very good sofa set. Yeah. Oh. And one thing I've realized is that the season is almost ending. Summer is almost coming to an end, because even darkness is starting to come back. Some few minutes, as in darkness is coming earlier. Oh, look at those cars. They are called private cars. You and your person, only two people, the driver and the co-driver. Yeah, I think they are good for those people who don't have big families. But if you have big family, like 3 of you or 4, you can't use the small cars because it just accommodates 2 people. Just want to jump just like this. You see, we just jumped across the road as if I'm back home. I know there are those who will say, no, don't do that. But sometimes, we try to do things. We always do the wrong things. That's what we try to do. In most cases. Imagine I could have just come and cross over here, but I decided, let me cross. You can see we have a dental bridge, dental practice here. Yeah, I love these cars, the Ford Focus Titanium. I love them. So look at even the houses I know by now, guys, you're used to these types of houses. You're used to this type of environment. Yeah. So this is the roundabout I was talking about. There's a roundabout here which is connecting you to different areas. M25 to take you to Leatherhead, to take you to various parts of Surbiton, Kingston, Tolworth. Even it can take you to Reigate, Ewell. I don't know if it is Ewell or Ewell. It really depends on the school you went. So this is Leatherhead. This road here is Leatherhead. And I think I've done videos several times. As I was saying, on this road. But you know, this road is one of the main roads here. So there is a lot of things you can enjoy looking at. Look at this old car. It is called the Jaguar. Honestly, me, I love the old cars. The old school cars, you know. The likes of Peugeot. The likes of, how do you call them? Toyota, you know. The Nissan. But the old models, you know, the kinds of Mercedes-Benz, the BMW, but the old models, because their bodywork is good. But leave alone these other small cars like this, the Fords, the Octavia, Kia, these MG things. Their body is peppers. In fact, they are peppers, you know. Because if it is scratched once, it can be torn. And you won't believe that it's a new car. But if you get the old car, maybe the Peugeot, it is pure metal, I can say. Pure metal, very strong. You know what I mean, yeah? Yeah. So let's keep on walking, guys. Tell me what you think. Which type of car do you love? But you know, nowadays it is very difficult for you to get the old school cars. The private road here, you can't go in if you don't belong. So I want to go to the other side of the road. Just want to So the did for me to cross long roof skating. Hey, the beards, man. Hey, Lana. Hey. Guys, that is so lovely. So nice. Look at this one. Tesla. I know people from India love Tesla cars. And there are many of them here. If we start counting, we can count more than 10. Oh, today is on Sunday. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. How should I do? Yeah, guys. Yes. This is the beauty of this place. One funny thing, you don't see many people. You can see one or two people just walking, and you can see the way the weather is favorable. But it is rare for you to see people walking. Why? Somebody can ask me why. Why? Why are the streets dry like that? Does it mean that there are no people? No, look at this. This very big company. Yes. So somebody can ask you, does it mean that there are no people in that country? That the streets are clean? Nobody. It looks like you're the only idle person. I don't know what I can answer, but I cannot say that there are no people. What I can simply say is most of the people here, they study the weather. They know that today, as between maybe 4 and 5, the temperature will be too high, so you will not see them just outside. It is not like Africans. Africans, and I'm not saying Africans in a bad way. African, you can just get out without knowing whether it is going to rain, how the temperature is going to be in the next 2 hours, in the next 1 hour. But most people here, they know that today it is going to be rainy. They know that next week it is going to be more warm. They know that next week it is going to be more cold. So they use the weather forecast to schedule and plan whatever they want to do. That's why you don't see people. Look at those flowers. Yeah, so that's why you don't see people out. So basically there are people, but because the temperature right now is a bit higher, it's around, say, 26 degrees. Yeah, 26 degrees, you can see the sun. The sun is shining from behind me, yeah, there. So you will not see many people out. But you know me, I'm a strong man. I can walk outside and wear all my clothes, my heavy clothes, even if it is 100 degrees centigrades. But for them, this temperature is too much. It can even make people to feel sick, feel exhausted, and even they can fall, that disease of falling down, because the humidity is, I don't know if it is high or low. The air is very dry, warm, so when you breathe, you don't get enough oxygen. Yeah. But who am I? Me, I'm just here enjoying life. Look at these fruits here. Yeah. Just with an aim to show you around, to show you what's happening. Look at this. Even the cars, they are covered with special items to ensure that they're not affected with high temperatures, high heat, hot. They call it hot. There's a nursery school here. If you have a young baby, that's where you can bring them as you go to your own business. Yeah, so this is a bridge road, one of the main roads here. You can see, and that is my shadow down here. So it means that the sun is behind me. Yeah. And anyway, let me say this, that for myself, I feel good when I sweat. For example, right now, because I'm walking in this hot sun, I feel so good because I'm sweating. I'm relieving, I'm getting out the toxic, and the train is there. That train will take you up to London, Waterloo. I want to close like this. It's the easiest way to close this road. Yeah, so that is the train I'm talking about. You can see That train will take you to central London. The biggest train station in UK, it is called Waterloo, one of the biggest. Yeah, so this Waterloo has 26 platforms. Yeah, 26 platforms. So it's very big. You see, nice buildings here. So this train station, which is called Chessington North. That's why I say that this particular place is strategically located. Access to road transport, access to trains, that is rail transport. So if you live here, you can work in central London, you can work in Southwark, you can work near London Bridge, because it will just take you 45 minutes to be there. So let's go. I want to check something there on the other side. And you know today is on a Sunday, guys. So most of the shops are closed. Is it closed or closed? Yeah. So we have KFC. And this is the shop here, KFC. Yeah. And you know most people here, they rest on Sunday, so that's why you see most of the shops are not open. Yeah. And this is Sainsbury here, closed. So this is Morrison. Morrison is the only one which is open, so let me get in. Yeah.